Finally, in tonight's Heart of America, we head to Hawaii for a story of perseverance in the aftermath of last year's Maui wildfires. Nate Kahaialii is a school teacher from the town of Lahaina, where just 1 year ago he was training for the Chicago Marathon when he and his family had to evacuate as flames approached their home. As things turned out, the home would be destroyed along with everything inside it except for the running shoes that he grabbed as he ran right out the door. He has since worn those shoes not only in the Chicago Marathon as he planned, but in every single major race since then. And now this November, he will wear them once again in the famed New York City Marathon, not for himself, but to raise money for the people back home, those representing Lahaina Strong.
I continue to think about the people of Lahaina and everyone who's lost homes, who's lost loved ones. Every time I bring these shoes with me, it's like bringing Lahaina with me.
And Lahaina goes on, the heart of Lahaina beats on. Nate Kahaialii is tonight's Heart of America.